Let me show you how I make $300 to $500 every week by designing these beautiful pictures you're seeing with AI. Alright, so I have made so much money creating all this image. You can see that, you can see the picture. That is my picture. Okay, so I'll be showing you step by step on how to make it. I know you'll be wondering what is the name of this particular app, but I want you to have patience. At the end of this video, I will disclose the app I use in making all this image. Okay, so there are several ways you can use this particular app to make money, and I will be talking about how you can the market strategy of getting clients that will be in need of a pictures like this. Okay, so just stay patient and watch this video to the end. Like this video, subscribe, and click the notification button so you won't miss any video like this on my channel. Alright, so if you look at this image here, it's a very beautiful image that AI generates for me, and if you can see, there is a capture of a movie title there. Okay, so that picture belongs to a client, and I charge the client for that picture. Alright, so what we are going to do now, we are going to take a step by step on how to generate an AI pictures like this. Okay, so you don't need to have a laptop. Once you have a phone, you can do this on your phone, and if you have a laptop, you can still do it. Alright, this particular image I generated was done with a mobile phone. I can do that on my system, but I just decide to do this tutorial with my mobile phone so everyone can have access to it. Alright, so I believe at the end of this video you'll be able to create an AI image like this. So now let's go. You need a picture, about 12 picture, a selfie 12 picture, or any kind of picture you have on your phone that you are fixing the camera. Alright, so I'm going to go with this example with Peter Obi. So I'm going to pick this Peter Obi picture, and I will use this picture to generate the image. Alright, so once you have this 12 picture, you select them. The minimum should be 8. Alright, make sure the picture are the same thing, the same person. So after clicking on the picture, so we are going to select the gender, either the gender is male or female. Alright, so you are going to click on the gender. So after clicking on the gender, then you click on next. Alright, so you give it time. So after it load, then you pick the model you want to use, the kind of style, the kind of concept you want to use. Alright, you can see a lot of pictures here, so you pick the one like a favorite, the one you want. So I'm selecting this one. Alright, so you give it time. Sometimes it take maybe about 7 minutes, 6 minutes. Alright, depend the network and depend the kind of image you picked. So we are going to wait a little bit for it, and after 6 minutes it's going to generate minimum of, you can see now, so we are done generating. Alright, so you can see that the picture has already generated. So if you have something like this and you got paid for this kind of picture, and you design this picture for a client, trust me, the client is going to love it and they are going to pay you good money for it. So a lot of people are going to lose job because you don't need a photo editor to do this again. Once you have this AI app, you'll be able to generate as many pictures as you want. Alright, so you can see now Peter Obi is putting on a doctor outfit. Alright, you can see how wonderful this thing is. Alright, you can see. So don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the button so you subscribe. So let's generate one more Let's generate one more. So we are going to select the model again. Let's select the model again. Okay, so I'll be picking that one. So let's give it some minutes. Right, so you can see we generate another one again. Can you see how good this particular AI is? I know you may be wondering what's the name of this particular app. Like I said, just keep watching this tutorial so that at the end of this video, when I disclose this app, you will not make a mistake when generating your own image. Okay, so you can see these are the image the AI generates. Alright, so you can see how beautiful this image is. Like I say, you don't need any video or photo editor to help you to do this. So again, I'm going to generate another one. Alright, so I want you to pay very good attention to this one I'm going to do. Alright, so we are going to pick the gender again. So I'm picking a male gender. Right, so I'm going to select a picture. So this time I'm going to pick a picture for my gallery, and that's going to be my picture. So I'm going to select the picture. So I'll select about 8 to 10 pictures. Let's go. So I'm picking this, and picking this, and picking this. Alright, so I'm going to click on this and continue. Alright, so I'm going to pick the model. I will look for a model that suits my editing. Let me see the one I'm going to use this time. Alright, so I'm going to select this body, this kind of body structure, like a gym person. Alright, okay, maybe I should select another one and see. So there are a lot of model here. You just have to pick the one that suits your picture, or maybe a client asks you to design maybe one for him. So if the client give you an example, you should be able to do it. So I've picked the model I want. So I'm going to wait for the minute they say I should wait for it. It's about maybe 6 minutes or so. So we are going to wait for it a little bit. Okay. All right. So it's time to look at the pictures. All right. So after looking at it, you can save it. Okay. As you can see, we have the pictures, we have this one, we have this, we have these, we have these, we have these, we have these. All right, so you can decide. It's going to come out in 2 to 3 ways. You're going to have a picture, and the AI is going to convert a video of all the pictures, so you can still download the images and you can download the pictures, whichever one you want. All right, like I said, I'm going to disclose this app to just 20 people that will comment on this particular video. So once you need the name of the app, just comment below and I will message you to tell you the name of the app. Thanks for watching this video.